Hi, it's Rod with Greenstone, and today I'm standing in the pressing station at our factory in Brandon, Manitoba. In this station, the EPS and steel frames become one. Steel frames are independently loaded into the press. One is installed on each side. As the press closes up with hydraulic force, the press begins to fill with EPS beads, which we previously made at the pre-expansion station. These beads are then hit with steam one more time to go through a final expansion process, which fuses the beads together and also bonds the EPS to the steel frames that have been coated with the liquid adhesive. Once this process is complete, the press will take the panel through a cooling and vacuuming cycle to stabilize the panel before the press will hydraulically open, drop the panel and eject it to be sent to the quality control processing station on the other side. If you have any other questions, head on over to gsbp.ca for more information.